Now, here's where the confusion often arises. Should you use OS Secrets Manager or Parameter Store for this purpose? Both services are designed to help you manage sensitive information, but they have different features and use cases. Secrets Manager is particularly useful for managing secrets that require automatic rotation, while Parameter Store is great for storing configuration data and can also handle secrets, but without the automatic rotation feature. Think of it like choosing between a safe that automatically changes its combination regularly and a regular safe where you have to remember the combination yourself. In summary, when deciding between Secrets Manager and Parameter Store, consider your specific needs for security and management of sensitive data. Parameter Store is essentially a simple key value store. This means that you can store data in pairs, where each key corresponds to a specific value. It supports both plain text and encrypted parameters, allowing you to choose how you want to secure your data. For instance, if you have a database password, you can store it in Parameter Store either as plain text or in an encrypted format, depending on your security needs. To recap, while both Secrets Manager and Parameter Store serve similar purposes, Parameter Store is a straightforward key value store that supports plain text and encrypted data. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective configuration management in your projects. Imagine you have a Lambda function that needs to access your RDS database credentials. Instead of hard-coding those credentials, you can store them securely in Secrets Manager. This way, the credentials can be rotated automatically, ensuring they are always up to date and reducing the risk of unauthorized access. If you only need to store simple configurations or secrets that don't change often, OR's Parameter Store might be enough for you. However, if your application requires features like rotation, auditing, and compliance, Secrets Manager is the better choice. In summary, Secrets Manager provides enhanced security and management for sensitive information, making it ideal for applications with higher security needs. In OS, Secrets Manager provides an automatic rotation feature for your credentials, which means it can regularly update your passwords without any manual intervention. On the other hand, with Parameter Store, you have to configure the rotation manually, which can be more time-consuming and prone to errors. In our lab, we will create an RDS database and store its credentials securely in Secrets Manager. Then, we will set up a Lambda function that will fetch these credentials from Secrets Manager to connect to the database. This process ensures that your database credentials are managed securely and efficiently, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Think of it like having a safe that automatically changes its combination regularly, versus one where you have to remember to change it yourself. In summary, using Secrets Manager simplifies credential management by automating the rotation process, making it a preferred choice for many developers. When you set up your Lambda function, it can connect to the database seamlessly if you use services like OS Parameter Store. This means that instead of embedding sensitive information directly in your code, you can fetch it securely at runtime. To ensure everything is working correctly, we will check the CloudWatch logs. These logs will help us verify that the credentials are being retrieved securely and that there are no issues with the connection. If you decide to use Parameter Store, it's important to remember that you must configure manual rotation of your credentials and set the appropriate IAM permissions. This ensures that only authorized entities can access the credentials, enhancing your security posture. In summary, by using OS Parameter Store and monitoring through CloudWatch, you can maintain a secure connection to your database without compromising sensitive information. One frequent error is assuming that using the parameter store automatically enables secret rotation. While the parameter store is a useful tool, it doesn't handle rotation on its own unless you configure it properly. Another mistake is not setting up IAM permissions correctly. This can lead to access failures for services like Lambda or EC2, which can disrupt your applications. To ensure you're on the right track, it's important to adopt an exam-safe approach. Always keep in mind the need for rotation, encryption, and access control. Additionally, utilize CloudWatch logs and audit trails for testing and monitoring your configurations. Think of it like locking your house. Just having a lock, like parameter store, isn't enough. You also need to ensure that the key, IAM permissions, works and that you regularly check if everything is secure. In summary, focus on these key areas to avoid common pitfalls in your all security practices. Parameter store is designed for lightweight and low-frequency configurations. This means it's great for storing simple settings that don't change often. On the other hand, Secrets Manager is tailored for more advanced needs, especially when you require automatic rotation of secrets. This feature is crucial for maintaining security, as it helps ensure that sensitive information like passwords or API keys are regularly updated without manual intervention. For example, think of Parameter Store as a simple toolbox where you keep your basic tools, while Secrets Manager is like a high-tech security system that not only keeps your valuables safe but also changes the locks automatically to enhance security. In summary, remember that for automatic rotation and fine-grained permissions, Secrets Manager is the best practice. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which advanced OS topic you'd like us to explore next.